Hi, my name is Paul Colleary. I'm from Ireland. I was referred to the doctor by Bharat Shah for piles surgery last week. The outcome of the piles surgery has been excellent. And we had a follow-up on Tuesday and a follow-up today, last visit today.
So Paul, you came here for the piles problem, but you had some problem in the past in Ireland. They do some procedure for a piles. Can you just narrate what the procedure were given to you?
In Ireland, I went twice to get the piles sorted out, and the first time was no good. The second time they done laser surgery, which lasted maybe 2 months. That was it. The piles came back again. It was just a complete waste of time.
So you feel that it was a waste of time by doing laser procedure for large piles?
I wouldn't advise it to anybody.
You will not advise laser surgery for large piles?
No, to nobody, no.
Okay, then Dr. Bhadrash is our anesthetist. He referred to me for the consultation.
Yes.
So I examine you and I give you the diagnosis of grade 4 piles.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So then I have suggested stapler hemorrhoidectomy, stapler surgery.
Yes.
So what is your experience of this stapler pile surgery?
I never heard of it before. I was a bit wary. I didn't know where I was going with it, but it was the best decision in the long run. You know, I don't like hospitals, so I was wary of it.
Yeah, right. So you were worried about the hospital and the doctor's procedure and all. But once you met me in this EPIC hospital, what is your observation and what is your suggestion and what is your come out?
My observation after meeting you for the first day was very, very good, very professional. Put me at ease straight away, and I had no problem coming back in last Friday morning for the surgery whatsoever.
So this procedure of stapler pile surgery, was it very painful to you?
No, there was no pain whatsoever.
So I discharge you on the next day of the surgery.
Yeah.
So do you feel any discomfort after your discharge from the hospital?
There was a small bit of discomfort after this surgery, but that was to be expected.
Yeah.
But other than that, no. After 7 days later, perfect.
So right now you don't have pain,
no.
Any bleeding from the rectum?
No, absolutely
no. fever, nothing. Your appetite is also improved?
The appetite is fully back, yeah.
Alright, fine, Mr. Paul. Thank you very much for coming here to the EPIC hospital, and I'm really thankful and obliged for your good suggestions of some restriction regarding the laser surgery in piles.
Well, I certainly wouldn't advise the laser anyway.
Thank you so much, Mr. Paul.
Thank you.
Thank you.